Hello students, welcome to my next video. In this video we will be learning hydrogen deficiency index. So what is hydrogen deficiency index and how we can calculate it? This hydrogen deficiency index is very important because it is been the first step in calculating or when we are trying to predict the structure of the unknown compound from its spectral data. So let us understand more about hydrogen deficiency index. Hydrogen deficiency index, that is HDI, is also called as unsaturation index or degree of unsaturation, or it is also known as index of hydrogen deficiency. And this is the formula using which we can calculate the hydrogen deficiency index. So if you see in the formula, it is ring plus pi bonds, means from this HDI value, we come to know the number of rings and pi bonds present in that particular structure. Before we begin, these are some of the key points which we have to remember about hydrogen deficiency index. By calculating HDI, we can determine the total number of rings and pi bonds. It does not give the exact number of rings or double bonds or triple bonds, but rather it is the sum of the number of rings and double bonds plus twice the number of triple bonds. It is useful in figuring out the structure of molecules. And oxygen and other divalent atoms do not contribute to the degree of unsaturation. So let us try to predict the HDI for these two structures first. Very simple it is. We should know that a ring counts as 1 degree of unsaturation, a double bond counts as 1 degree of unsaturation, and a triple bond counts as 2 degrees of unsaturation. And this is the formula which we had seen earlier. So in this particular structure, in the first structure, if you see here, this is the first carbon. Okay, first carbon. Then we have the second carbon where it is CH, CH3, this is CH2 and CH3. So this is the structure. Now as per this formula, HDI is equal to number of carbons. So how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbons are there minus number of hydrogens. How many hydrogens? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 by 2. So there is no halogen, there is no nitrogen, and this plus 1. So this comes out to be 5 minus 6 plus 1. So this is 5 minus 5. So that is 0. So HDI for this particular structure is 0. That means what? There is no ring. And that is correct. There is no ring. There is no double bond. And that is also correct. There is no double bond also. Now for the same structure, in the same structure, if I replace one hydrogen with a double bond, with a pi bond, and here also I am removing one hydrogen and I have put the pi bond over here. So two double bonds are there. Now let us see how HDI is differing because of this change. So the number of carbons are same, 5. The number of hydrogens are now different, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 hydrogens are there, no halogen, no nitrogen, and plus 1. So 5 minus 4 plus 1. So this is 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So 2, and we can see here, as we have written here also, a double bond counts as 1. So HDI2 means there could be 2 double bonds. So 2 double bonds I can see in this particular structure. Okay, let us proceed further. So the next set of structures, now from the knowledge we have gained earlier, see here there is one ring for this structure and there is one double bond, right? So 1 plus 1, that becomes 2. So this will be the HDI for this particular structure. Okay, this is the benzene ring. For benzene ring, as we see, there is one ring and there are 3 double bonds, so that becomes 4. So 4 is the HDI for benzene ring. So if you want, we can just cross check. HDI is equal to number of carbons 6 minus there are 6 hydrogens, there is no halogen, there is no nitrogen, and plus 1, so that becomes 6 minus 3 plus 1, so 6 minus 2, that becomes 4. So 4 is the HDI for benzene ring. Okay, so let us try to predict for this particular structure. There is one ring. I can see one ring over here. I can see one triple bond over here, and I can see 3 double bonds. Okay, so as the rules we have learned, one ring counts as 1 HDI, one triple bond counts as 2 HDI, and each double bond counts as 1 HDI. So there are 3 double bonds, so 3 HDI. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the HDI for this particular structure. If you want to cross check, let us see here. HDI is equal to number of carbons. How many carbons are there? 6 here and 7th one here. So 7 minus hydrogens, 1, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 5. 5 hydrogens are there. 2 minus no halogen, 1 nitrogen there, plus 1. So that becomes, yes, that becomes 7 minus 5 by 2 plus half plus 1. Okay. Now so it is 7 minus 4 by 2 plus 1. 7 minus 2 plus 1, that becomes equals to 7 minus 1 equals to 6. Yes. So this is the HDI for this particular structure. So the last slide for this particular video. See here, molecular formula is given. So now we do not know any structure. So from molecular formula, HDI equals to 3 minus 6 by 2 minus no halogen, no nitrogen, plus 1. And as we all know, oxygen and other divalent atoms, they do not contribute to unsaturation. Okay. 3 minus 3 plus 1. So that is 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, so 1 is the HDI for this. For this particular molecular formula, let us see, 4 minus 7 by 2 minus halogen is not there, but nitrogen is there, plus 1. So it is 4 minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, and 4 minus 6 by 2 plus 1. Yes, good. So this is 2, HDI2 for this particular molecular formula. I hope you all have understood.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have liked it, please click on like button and do subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed. You can always write to me your queries in comment section and it will be answered. Thank you. Have a nice day.